Next one. Shabbos naps. Many people have a practice to taking a nap on Shabbos afternoon. That's the very enjoyable thing, right? This is included in the mitzvah enjoying Shabbos. So of course, especially men must learn Torah. The Shabbos was given us to learn Torah, right? You're not going to work. You're not in a rush. You have to pay your bills. You don't have to answer your phone, this and that. So you have you should have peace of mind and study Torah, right? But on the other hand, you must enjoy. So take a short nap. Buy yourself the Shabbos Shabbos alarm. So if you have a smartphone, you can buy just application, a few dollars, and that's it. Or buy a clock in a Judaica store. Right, and sleep half an hour and 1 hour, but don't sleep 5 hours. This included mitzvah of enjoying Shabbos, so for men and for women. One is even allowed to go to sleep for the sole purpose of having strength to stay up late muktzeh Shabbos. I'm not sure why he's saying that. One is even allowed to go to sleep for the sole purpose of having strength to stay muktzeh Shabbos. However, one should not say that this is the reason to do so. Okay, exactly. Okay, that clarifies. Even if she is staying up for the purpose of the mitzvah. Staying up for the purpose. So we have one of the prohibition. What is the prohibition? We're not allowed to prepare on Shabbos for a weekday and on Yom Tov for a weekday. So if, for example, she has a guest over, or she goes somewhere, they go somewhere, so she said, yeah, we're going to stay up very late, so I want to take a nap on Shabbos. So okay, there is no problem taking a nap of Shabbos, but it must not be for a preparation for the things after Shabbos. Even like this, we're not talking about other preparations, of course, but even such a thing that if she does not have in mind to prepare after Shabbat, there is no problem. Enjoy. She wants to sleep 3 hours. She'll let her sleep 3 hours, no problem. Right? But don't say, I want to prepare for after Shabbos. This is because it is disrespectful to the Shabbos to say explicitly that one is preparing for after Shabbos. Like, I cannot wait until it's over, and now and finally I'm going to have this. I'm going to go to, I don't know, to any place. If one does so, however, it's still permitted to go to sleep after the fact. So meaning what? Like still, since she's not doing anything like forbidden, right? She goes to sleep. So like after the fact, we actually allow her to go to sleep. Any questions? What we said? Okay. Wow. Let me check. So we stop here. Okay, any questions on any topic?